and welcome to my channel. My name is Veronica. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I do cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. In today's video, I am going to give our bathroom a refresh. This is a fairly small bathroom and it doesn't have any windows, so it doesn't have good lighting in here. My daughter had this aqua blue and brown color scheme in her bathroom, but she recently moved out to go finish her master's degree. So my son is going to be using this bathroom for the most part, and he wants a totally different look than one she had. So that's what we're going to be working on today. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the shower curtain. The clear liner was recently replaced by my daughter, so I'm going to be leaving it. While I clean the bathroom, I'm going to start the washer and I'm going to wash the curtains and mats so that I can later donate them. To clean the shower and bathtub, I'm going to be using this Dawn spray and vinegar, and I will just be wiping everything down with a sponge. Like I mentioned earlier, this bathroom doesn't have any windows, so I don't want to use cleaning products because all I have is a fan in here circulating the air.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out your beauty.
To clean the shower head, I first sprayed white vinegar and some of the Dawn spray. I then used my sponge to clean it. I cleaned the top of the shower wall and it was so dusty. I couldn't believe how much dust was up there. It's something I definitely need to do more often. I then used my towel to dry the wall and the fixtures. The white vinegar really helps to give everything a nice shiny look.
I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Ooh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you
didn't want to remove the shower caddy because my daughter had used command strips to hold it up and I didn't have any to replace them with. So I just cleaned around it and did the best that I could. Okay guys, so we were out of town camping and we had left some fruit out on the counters, and when we came back we had so many fruit flies. They were everywhere. So my husband used some apple vinegar and dish soap, and it really works to get rid of the fruit flies. Okay, back to cleaning. Now I'm going to clean the sinks, but I'm going to let the spray sit for a little bit while I continue dusting the rest of the fixtures.
All night, I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Got the feeling from the start you might be the guy who'll break my heart. Hello, hello. Even though I took a risk, it is worth the while for just one kiss. I know, I just know it. Caught up in the moment, wanna spend every second with you, yeah. All I do is thinking about you. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you what we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. You and I are so alike.
Since my daughter was the only one that used this bathroom for the past 7 years, she definitely had a favorite sink, and it was not this one that I am cleaning. It hardly ever got used and hard water started to build up. So my husband removed the little filter and we are going to leave it in vinegar overnight so that it can loosen up all of the buildup. Okay, you guys, so recently I went to the Dollar Tree and I found these gray microfiber towels. They come 2 in a package and I really like the way that they clean. I have some other ones that are definitely more expensive, but these totally did the job and you can't beat 2 for $1.
What can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. But in the middle, right in between, I want to. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between.
To clean the countertops, I'm going to be using Lysol in the lemon scent. And here is the little filter that I was telling you guys about. It was so filthy and just had so much buildup. So we're just going to put it in this little glass and let it sit there.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can.
Now onto this huge mirror. I'm going to be using glass cleaner and a paper towel to wipe it down. I also had to use a razor blade to remove some stains that were not cleaning up with the glass cleaner. Okay, so this is kind of embarrassing, but we have lived in our house for like over 7 years and this sticker was still on the toilet. so I used some Goo Gone and it easily came off. Now on to mopping. I'm going to use this microfiber mop and spray my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner to leave a nice clean scent.
You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. And here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign.
These are the shower hooks that I bought. I got these at Ross for $3.49. They are simple, but that is the look that my son was going for. I also got him this white shower curtain. It's simple and it just has a little bit of detail. I don't know if I already mentioned this, but my son is 12 years old, so I feel like finding a style for a boy is a little bit harder than it is for girls. So he's not a baby anymore, but he's not quite a teenager. So this is the look he was going for, just something simple and easy to maintain clean.
Control you, push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Here I'm just adding new towels and his new bath mats, and this is what the bathroom looks like so far.
I think you're looking just fine. I wanna tell you that I want you by my side. The way you move your body, the way I feel inside. I wanna take you for a ride. Wanna be with you. Do you want me to? Wanna be.
I'm also going to be using these wallflower plugins. I get these at Bath & Body Works when they go on sale. And I love these because they last about a month or so and it leaves the bathroom smelling fresh and clean for a really long time.
I wanna say that you are the one I need. I wanna say that you are the one who's making me breathe. I hope that you can stay here, yeah, you can stay the night. I hope that you.
Now I'm going to plug in my son's toothbrush, but am I the only one that really dislikes cords? I just don't like the way it makes the space look all messy. So I didn't like the way that it looked over on this sink, so I moved it over to the other sink because I can add a plant or a little something just to hide the cord.
You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. If you stay here, it'd be more than okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. If you'd stay here, it'd be more than okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I
just adding the finishing touches. I got this tray at Dollar Tree and I'm just going to use it to add his hand soap, a candle, and 2 washcloths, and basically that is all that he needs. And this is how the bathroom ended up. I feel like it is perfect for my son because it doesn't have much clutter and it will help him keep it clean. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you for spending some time with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.